can just... Right, just watch. So I've got it all taped up. But this front here is loose. It's come out of the rubber grommet, and inside it's all cracked. I'll show you. You can see how I've got it all taped up in the middle here. It's even... It's not just a crack in that, it's really bad. Really bad, this area here. So I don't know. I've been online. I can't get hold of one. Whether they can or not, I don't know. But I reckon they're about 800 quid or something. Ridiculous. Big job that.
Yeah, they do. But they are, you know, quite more expensive.
Yeah.
But yeah. So I'll just get Claire. She wanted to chit chat.
So we're here in a chocolatier. Do they call them chocolatiers?
Chocolatiers, yeah.
In Dorchester. And John is very kindly going to buy some chocolates for her birthday.
Yeah, chocolate.
Come to reception, please. Claire to reception.
Dark chocolate stem ginger.
Oh, that'd be nice.
It's just
Yeah.
it's just so tasty. Everything's so tasty.
Thank you.
That'll be really nice.
That'll be very nice.
Lovely.
Trevor likes ginger as well.
Well, and it's so good for you. Dark chocolate is so good for you.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, look at that rum truffle.
Um,
I bet that's good.
There, folks. It's night time. I didn't do a video when we arrived on this site because we had John and Edith with us, and there's a little shop here with a seating area outside, and Pat bought one or two bits and pieces from the shop, and we sat out in the lovely sun this afternoon and had a drink and bit of cake. So I didn't get chance to do a video like I normally do when we arrive on a site. So I'm planning to do it tomorrow. But before we arrived here, we went to Chard to a shop that, well, it's a motorhome repair shop on the edge of Chard. And I went. You've seen the film that I made of the Overcab Skylight. Well, I wanted to have a look at it, and by all accounts, they're almost impossible to get hold of those windows. And if you can get hold of one, they're massively expensive, about £800. We hate it, and we always have hated that window, Pat and I. But the chap said that someone else had a similar van to this, and he felt he hated it too, and he fabricated a new piece of fiberglass to put into to get rid of the window altogether. But he said to do it, it would take about 3 weeks. So there was no possibility of us being able to do that here while we're on the road. But he says all you can do if you don't bite the bullet and do that is to just keep patching it up. And he recommended some tape to me. Canopus sealant tape, extra strong. So I've sent off for some of this from Amazon, and I'm having it delivered to a post office in a village nearby on Friday. And we're here until Friday. So I'm hoping to be able to pick that tape up on Friday, and then what I'm going to do is I've got some silicone here, and I'm going to take the tape off that's on there, put some silicone on it, and tape it back down with this sealant tape, and see how we get on with that. So yeah, that's that. Prior to that, we were in a chocolate shop in I said it was in.
It's in pound.
What? Not Canterbury. I can never remember the name of that place.
Dorchester.
Dorchester. I said it was in Dorchester, but really it was in Poundbury, wasn't it?
Yeah. Well,
It said it calls itself in Dorchester. That's its address. But it seemed more like it were in Poundbury to me. But anyway, it wasn't just a shop. They actually make those chocolates. There, it's a factory. And that was just their little shop for the factory. So they actually make the chocolates there. I didn't make that clear in the little video I did of it. So anyway, I might upload this tonight, ready to put online first thing in the morning, and then I'll do a video when it gets light of the site before, because John and Edith are coming again tomorrow to pick us up. I think they're going to come every day while we're here, aren't they?
I think so.
I don't think they want us to go.
They said it's quite near where we are now.
It's not far from
18 miles
from where?
from Dorchester.
Dorchester. I cannot remember that name of that place. Anyway, yeah. So that's the way we are. We're here for 3 days. And I don't know where we're gonna go. I think we've done Dorset to death. So we're in Somerset. This is Somerset. This is. And by the way, the window is not leaking. We don't have a leak. It's just I'm frightened of it leaking, and I'm frightened of it something happening when we're travelling. And I don't want it to get worse, which it is. It keeps, that interior crack keeps getting worse. So there we are. So we'll see you tomorrow, all being well. Okay, bye.